So I bought these Christmas light hangers, but these are different. These are metal Christmas light hangers that hang on a gutter. So that way, you don't have to have those little cheap plastic ones that actually fall apart in the sun. We have some string lights in the backyard that we have through our patio, the pergola and everything that we have back there. And the sun is just breaking those Christmas light hangers. Pretty much every month I got to go back there and replace them again, and I'm getting tired of it. So this should put an end to that. Let me go ahead and take these things out of the box. All right, and this is the hooks out of the package. Now these aren't big, you can see my hand for reference, but what these are going to do is this slips over the top of the gutter here, and then this part of the clip holds the wire. Now we have lights that don't have a real thick wire because they're LED and they're low light. They're not really massive lights, although we've got like 200 feet or something, so it still brightens it up really well. Anyways, they don't have those huge like extension cord wires. So if you have wires that are like really thick and round, because I don't know why, maybe that has incandescent in it, I don't know. But if you have really thick wires, you're going to have a hard time getting it down into this clip, and you're probably going to have to come in here and bend them open a little bit to get them in there. But our wires are pretty thin, should hold really well in there. And I mean, these are pretty stout little pieces of metal. It should be able to hook on that gutter with no problem. So I'm going to go in the backyard and get some of those lights installed with these and let you see how well they look. So here's a perfect case on why I bought these metal clips. If you use these plastic clips that are used to hang like Christmas lights, things like that, after a month or so, they're so brittle they just snap off. This, as you can see, just broke. They're worthless. So I use these metal clips like this, and those things look like they're going to hold on really well for a while. So they should not be affected by the UV, and we're going to see how long they last. And look at how nice and clean those metal clips look. Really nice along the gutters. I put one on each side of the light, and I gotta say, I definitely think that these are going to do way better than the plastic ones. So here is a note though. So this is the metal clip, and if you look at it, again, there's not a lot of space here to put a real thick wire. So if you don't have, string lights with this like real thin, flat type of wire, if you have them with the real round wire that's like extension cords, you're going to have a real hard time using a clip like this. But if you have them like ours, where it's got the, two wires and it's thin and kind of flat, fits in these very snugly, and it holds them really well. And there they are, plugged in and hanging. Awesome. Well, I hope this review was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.